Welcome back, children. So in the last class we saw about Louisa and her attempts to make her mother happy. She was ready to do any kind of work that she got to make her mother happy, and actually it was not a big thing that she was doing, but whatever she could she did. Now we'll continue with the lesson. Page number 66, last paragraph. So Louisa, she was writing for some paper. She wrote stories for some papers and was earning money. She was stitching and all sorts of work she was doing. And when she grew up, Louisa met a publisher who asked her if she wanted to write a book for girls. Louisa was not well and she was very tired, but she could never say no when she had a chance to work. So one day she met a publisher and the publisher asked her whether you can write a story or a novel for girls. Okay, a story which girls will like. And Louisa was not well at that time. She was tired also, but she could never say no to when somebody is asking her to do some work. Unlike most of us, she wanted to work hard. So Louisa, even though she was not well, she accepted the offer. She told that she will write. And when she thought about the book, she remembered the good times she used to have with her sisters in the big bare house in the country. And so she wrote a story and put all that in it. So she was thinking what to write for the girls. The publisher has asked her to write something, a novel or something, but she was thinking what to write. And what came to her mind was the good times and the bad times that she spent with her sisters in that big house. How they were living in that big house. She wanted to write about her own experience, her own childhood, and how she grew with the with her three sisters. So she wrote about that. She started writing about her own sisters and the house. And in that she put her dear mother and her wise father also in it. And besides the jolly occasions and the plays, she also wrote about the hard times in their lives, the work and worry and going without things. So she not only included good things or good occasions that happened, but she also included the hard times she had to meet, like without money and without things, how they spent the days without money, and how she was working hard, how her sisters were. All these things she put it into her novel. So everything she wrote, it's like an autobiography. It's a semi-autobiography actually. Autobiography means, you may know, writing about our own experience, our own childhood, our own life. Okay, so she was actually writing about her own experience and in her childhood with her sisters and her family. And she wrote about the hard times also, good times also, and people loved to read it. And when the book was written, she called it Little Woman. So she named the novel Little Woman. And this book made Louisa famous. It was so sweet and funny and sad and real, like our own lives, that everybody wanted to read it. Many bought it and lot of money came from it. So it was not a very big book with the great thoughts or anything. It was so simple, showing the life of a country girl, a village girl. Country means a village girl. And the hardships they are facing. Okay, the hard times, good times they are they spent together, and all these things. The book was such a simple one and everybody wanted to read it. And when everyone is buying the book and reading, what will happen? A lot of money will come out of that. And it made her, she got a lot of money after writing the book. After so many years, Louisa's wish came true. She gave her father books, but best of all, she was able to see it that her beloved mother, so tired and so ill, could have rest and happiness. So, after many years, Louisa's wish came true. She gave father the books. Along with that, what made her more happy was to see her mother relaxed and happy, because she was not a selfish girl to keep all the money that she earned for herself. She was ready to spend it for her family. Now that is what we lack nowadays in our society. We think that whatever we earn only for us, isn't it? We don't the number of old age homes are increasing in our country. So children, parents are working hard for you, okay, and it's you also have a duty towards them to make them happy. So that is what Louisa is doing here. Whatever she could have taken all that money she has earned, but no, she used everything, every penny that she earned for the betterment of the family, to keep her mother happy. And that is that's the story. I hope all of you like it. Read it many times, 3 or 4 times. Please go through the text and read it. And the spelling, if you have any doubts with the spellings, please note it and keep. We will discuss. And in the book, some words with the meanings are given. Please go through that also. You need to study that meanings also. Okay? Thank you.